Position and maybe keep that bat in the hitting zone a lot longer. Maybe get that breaking ball out of the way from him and put it in the left field. You know now for the Brewers, you're struggling and you're not producing like it's the way you did a year ago. I mean, a hitter's standing on the field to get hit. Try anything. That's kind of the way Joe Hall's been this year. Maybe that's hit runoff for the Brewers. And that'll be a base hit. That would have been a clean single had Billy not been running. And probably would have got to third base anyway. A good play by Bart to knock it down, not able to make a play on it. A base hit now first and third for Suppan. Brewers making pretty good contact off Braden Looper. When he was a closer, up until this year, he threw a lot harder. Of course, the closer didn't have to throw that many innings, only one inning maybe. The Brewers making some pretty good contact on him here tonight.
Well, now a chance for Suppan to advance Damian Miller to second base. No Brewer has dropped more sacrifice bunts down than Suppan. Cardinals just are not playing well defensively at this time of the year. They really haven't. This season it's very uncharacteristic of a St. Louis ballpark. They've committed 116 errors this year. No errors tonight. That play on ball was changed to an infield hit.
Yeah, they made 3 errors last night, costing the Cardinals 3 earned runs.
In a rundown between home and third, and Miller will make it all the way around to third base, but poor base running by Billy Hall. He thought he was going to go for a hit.
Now, Braden Looper started where third. Spezio thought he was going to go, and then he went back to third base. Nobody went after it initially. And Billy Hall figured nobody's going there, nobody's getting it, and he's easily out at third base. Now, the good point about that, he stayed in the rundown long enough to allow Damian to get to third, so although he was thrown out, Brewers still have a man at third base.
So instead of second and third with Miller and Hall in scoring position, it's first and third with Miller and Suppan on the bag. And the top of the order now, Ricky Weeks. And if he does what he did last time, it won't matter. They can all jog home. 3-0 Milwaukee, threatening for more here in the second inning.
Hey, Kelly Sinet didn't come to walk on second Bill Hall when he was on the base pass. Had he done that, it would have been interference and really wouldn't have made the score. Had to jump out of the way. Pretty good athletic move by Sinet.
And Hall trying to build the contact. And anything to have some success on that play. He did get Miller to third. Weeks drives one to center. Edmonds on the run will make the catch and that'll give a run home. So the Brewers execute. Sacrifice fly at RBI for Weeks, and it's 4-0 Milwaukee here in the second.
Ricky doing a nice job staying back. That was an off-speed pitch that time. His home run was a fastball at 3-1 count. Looper throwing some off-speed away, stayed back and hit it hard into center field. Tough to get a ball over the head of Jim Edmonds. Ricky does a nice job hitting it deep enough to score the run.
I mean, he's a different guy up there at the plate than he was early in the year. I mean, completely different. He's getting on base a lot. He's stealing a lot of bases. He is now hitting for power. And comes up with a big RBI there that makes up for the base running blunder at third. When the team's going right, they'll pick each other up. And that's what you like to see. That's why the Brewers are encouraged right now. Feel like they're starting to play better. They love playing here at Miller Park. 48 wins, 27 losses, 21 games over 500 in their home ballpark. That's another great start tonight.
And that's why those 2 losses at the end of the Atlantic hurt so bad. ahead because the Brewers coming back here. It doesn't matter how bad they're playing on the road. As soon as they hit the ground in Wisconsin, they automatically have a